Another video. Today we are solving question 11, container with most water in LeetCode. So in this question, we are given an array called height with a length of n, and there are n vertical lines drawn such that two endpoints of the ith line are I, comma 0 and I, comma heights I. So essentially, we can go ahead and look at example 1 and get a pretty good idea what this question is asking. So we are trying to see where we can hold the most water within here. So we can see that from 8 to 7, we can hold 49 gallons or whatever you want to call the measurement of water. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you go from index 1, which 8 is at, to index 8, which 7 is at, that would be a difference of 7. And then you can only multiply 7 by 7 because it says right here, you may not slant the container. So we have to go from the lowest point. So we will say that the container can hold 49 units or whatever measurement unit you want to use. So let's go ahead and get into the actual code. First, we need to initialize two pointers, left and right. So we'll say left equals 0 and right equals the length of height and then -1, so we get the right index. And then we are going to initialize our answer. So it's going to be called max value, or say max water. Oh, and then we're going to initialize this to 0. And then we're going to go ahead and go into a while loop. So we'll say while left is less than or equal to right. So from here, we can go ahead and say current is equal to the length, or sorry, height dot left so we want to get the max of these two. So we'll say max. So we want to get the max, or sorry, the min, sorry. We want to get the minimum because, like we noted earlier, we cannot slant the container, so we need to take the lower of the two edges. And then we want to multiply this value by the gap within the two. So in this case, it would be the left index would be 1 and the right index would be 8. So we would say right minus left. And then we can say max water is equal to the max of current and max water. So this will help us keep a running track of our max value that we've found. And then from here, we can say if height left is less than height right, we need to move our height left value, or sorry, our left value one position to the right, and then else we need to move our right position one to the left. We'll say right minus equals 1. And then we can go ahead and just return our max water variable as our answer. So let's go ahead and run this. That works. Let's go ahead and submit this. That works as well. Awesome. So there you guys have it. That is my solution for LeetCode question number 11, container with most water. Let me know, guys, if you learned anything. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow.